In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract audio from a video on your iPhone. So if you have a video file and you want to extract the audio from it and save it as a separate file, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. Now, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Shortcuts application on your phone. Now, if you don't have this installed already, then you can just head over to the App Store and in the search box, just type in Shortcuts and go and download the Shortcuts application. Now, once you have this on your phone, simply open up the application. So what we're going to do is click on the plus icon in the top right hand side and click on the drop down arrow in the top navigation, select rename, and then we're just going to give this the name extract audio. Then click on done. Then what you need to do is just swipe down to get rid of this window. Click on the information button at the bottom, then select show in share sheet and press done. Click on images and 18 more. Select clear in the top left hand side. Select media and make sure this is turned on and then press done. Then click on the search box at the bottom, search for the word encode and select encode media. Now click on the drop down arrow next to shortcut input, select audio only and make sure this is enabled. Click on the format and here you can change the output format. I'm just going to leave all of this as its default. So now come over to the search box at the bottom again and search for save file and click on this. And now we can click on done in the top right hand side. So now we've created that shortcut. What you can do is head over to the Photos app on your phone. And now what you can do is just select the video that you want to extract the audio from. So I'm going to select this video here. Click on the share icon in the bottom left hand side. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll have this option now to extract the audio. Go and click on that and give that a few seconds while it goes and extracts the audio from this video clip. And once that's finally finished, we can select where we want to save this to. So I'm just going to select on my phone, click on open. And now if you head over to the Files app on your phone, you can see right in the top left hand side here, we have this audio file, which is the one that we just extracted from the video. So I can go in and click and play on this like so. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.